Hello guys, this is AKV. Today I will be showing how to install the hazard light in this old model 2006 Activa. So let's begin the video. Right. To install the hazard light, you need to have a 2-wire switch, 2 extending wires and a page cord. So let's begin the installing process. To begin with the first step, you need to remove the switch. To remove the switch, it's very easy. You need to take a page cut, point it towards this side and push it backward. To start with the second step, you need to remove this coupler. There are 2 locks, you should remove with that. After removing the switch, you should see the orange and the blue color wire. See? The orange and the blue wire. Keep the switch aside. Take the black wire and insert in this. Take the red wire and insert in this. Install black wire in first hole, a red wire in the second hole. As I now install, you should install the wire in this way. A red wire here and a black wire here. So begin with the third step. After installing these 2 wires, you need to put this coupler as back as it was. Now let's check, is this hazard light working. You need to put your key and start the ignition. You need to on any one side indicator. As now I have on with the right indicator. After onning, you should on the switch. See, now we can see that all 4 indicators started. Now let's install the switch in the correct way. I am going to install the switch here. For that, I'll open this both mirrors and this one screw, and here there is one more screw. I will remove with that. Now as you can see, I have removed the switch and connected the 2 wires with it. I recommend to put the tape with this both. Now I am doing it temporarily, so I am not installing the tape. I recommend you to put the tape in it. Now let's see how to take this wire still here without showing it out. Take this both the wires and put it inside this hole. Put it inside this hole and take it out from here. As you can see, I have taken this wire out. Now as take here, this is some space. You have to take this wire from here to this hole. As you can see, I have removed one wire from this hole. Similarly, you have to take the one more wire from this hole. Here I have not removed this screw, so I am taking from here. I have removed this 2 wire out from this hole and I have closed the switch back. Now let's see. Now I want this much wire for the switch, so I will cut this remaining wire. As you all can see that I have installed the switch and I have closed this path, and you can't see any wire. For this I have installed some Tisco tape for the water resistance. Now let's see, is the light working after installing this. So let's me on my ignition. On any one side of indicator, you can see that I have on left side indicator and I have on my switch. As you can see, all 4 indicators started to run. And I will give one more recommendation, is that you should not on these indicators in the idle position. You should on these indicators only while running, otherwise the battery will be drained. As you all see, I have installed the hazard light in this old 2006 Activa. If you liked the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel AKV. This is your AKV signing off. Thank you so much.